Imagine a shaft of yellow sunlight beaming through a window. According to quantum physics, that beam is made of zillions of tiny packets of light, called photon, streaming through the air. But what exactly is a photon? And that is I'm going to tackle today. By definition, a photon is the smallest discrete amount or quantum of electromagnetic radiation. It is the basic unit of all light known as elementary particle. Photons are always in motion and in vacuum, travel at a constant speed to all observers of 2.998 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. This is commonly referred to as speed of light, denoted by the letter c. So, how to calculate the energy of a photon? So we need the Planck's equation, which is E is equals to H times C, or lambda is equals to H times F, where E is the energy of a photon, H is the Planck constant, C is the speed of light, lambda is the wavelength of a photon, F is the frequency of a photon. So let's go to the history of photons. The term photon was coined by Gilbert Lewis in 1926. Though the concept of light in the form of discrete particles had been around for centuries and had been formalized in Newton's construction of the science of optics. In the 1800s, however, the wave properties of light, by which is meant electromagnetic radiation in general, became glaringly obvious, and science had essentially thrown the particle theory light out the window. It wasn't until Albert Einstein explained the photoelectric effect and realized that light energy had to be quantized the particle theory returned. As per Einstein light quantum theory, photons have energy equal to their oscillation frequency times Planck's constant. Einstein proved that the light is a flow of photons, and the energy of these photons is the height of their oscillation frequency, and the intensity of the light corresponds to the number of photons. Essentially, he explained how a stream of photons can act both as wave and particle. And now, here are the basic properties of photons. First is, they have zero mass and rest energy. They only exist as moving particles. They are elementary particles despite of lacking rest mass. They have no electric charges. They are stable. They are spin 1 particle, which makes them boson. They carry energy momentum, which are dependent on frequency. They have interactions with the particles such as electrons, such as the Compton effect. They can be destroyed or created by many natural processes. For instance, when radiation is absorbed or emitted, when an empty space, they travel at the speed of light. Here are facts about photons. So first is, not only is light made up of photons, but all electromagnetic energy such as microwave, radio wave, X-rays, and others are made up of photons. Second, the original concept of the photon was developed by Albert Einstein. However, it was scientist Gilbert Lewis who first used the word photon to describe it. Third, the theory that states that light behaves both like a wave and particle is called the wave-particle duality theory. Fourth, photons are always electrically neutral. They have no electrical charge. And lastly, photons do not decay on their own. So, and that is photon. Hope you learned a lot about photon. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Bye!